Okay, step 7 of the traffic equalizer process is really, of course, the most important because it actually generates the pages. And actually, just before I go through this process, if we take a quick look at step 8, this is optional, as you can see. And it's for uploading the pages, and you can upload the pages using traffic equalizer if you wish, but I always use FTP software, which file transfer software, which transfers the web pages from my computer to my website. So I don't use traffic equalizer for this. I use separate software, separate specialized software. And that's what I'll be covering. I won't be covering this step of the process because I've never used it myself. And personally, I find it easier to use software which I'm used to, and which, that's what I'll be talking through, how to use FTP software to upload your pages rather than traffic equalizer. But you may wish to play around with step 8 and see if it works for you. So that's the 8th and optional step in the process. So if we go back to 7, generate pages, you've got to choose, let's cancel that, you've got to choose where you want your pages to go. So if you just click here, actually, this window appears and you can browse your computer. And you can choose where to put your web pages. I'm going to choose the desktop and into a folder called demosite1.info. So there we go. Let me cancel that. There's the path, as you can see. So do you want to empty all files from the output folder first? There's nothing there, but you can choose that to always start fresh if you want to. But as there's nothing there, I can leave it unticked this time. So save project and generate. Actually, what I do before just because of the way I work, I choose file save first of all, just to make sure everything's saved okay, and then I click the generate button. So this will take a few minutes at least, and of course the more pages you have, the longer it will take. Okay, and it's starting. And 249 is how many keywords there are in my list. So it creates a separate page for each keyword. So it's going pretty fast, as you can see, but this will take probably at least, maybe 5 minutes or so. And you can see here the keywords it's currently working on. Okay, it's pretty much at 100%, as you can see, 249 keywords of 249 done. And we get forwarded to a short report, as you can see, which actually says keyword 250, output folder, and that's pretty much done. So we can close this, and actually we can now exit traffic equalizer. Actually, what I can do instead, it's as a useful shortcut, file menu, and choose open output folder. And the folder opens, we can see the pages we've just had created. And if we go down right at the bottom here, there's 253 objects. So along with all the keyword pages, the results pages, which should be 249, it also creates some other files and pages as well. It creates a sitemap, a Google sitemap file. And if we just press the I key, creates an index page, and if we press the S key as a shortcut, takes us to the S's. It also creates a sitemap page. So that's how what Traffic Equalizer creates looks like initially, and of course, well, in the coming videos I'm going to spend time going through these files, showing you exactly what each one, or how they look, and the purposes of different files, and how you can make some changes to them to customize them even more, make sure everything works for you, and to get it live on the web, and also get it spidered into the search engines. So first of all, in the next video, I'll talk you through all these web pages and files in detail.